Hi everyone. I'm making this video because on my last video I noticed that the sound was a bit screwed up, and I'm going to fix that on the computer. And I know this sound is going to be pretty screwed up too. I'm going to fix that right after this video, but just to let you know, the reflection by Mulan video is kind of screwed up, and so I'm going to remake after I fix the sound. So